how to enable the flash notification in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down, click on accessibility, click on advanced settings, click on flash notification. Now here you will see camera flash notification, screen flash notification. Now click on camera flash notification. Here you will see app. Select app that you want to enable flash notification. Select app, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, flash notification will be enabled from your phone. This is how you can enable flash notification in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.